Introducing the newly redesigned Advanjet Micro Dispensing jet valve for non-contact jetting applications. Delivers high process accuracy when dispensing a variety of materials like silver epoxies, UV cure adhesive, silicones, and more. Setup is easy thanks to seamless integration between the jet valves and controllers. And with a new, larger offering of accessories and configurations, the Advanjet jet valves are ideal for applications in the electronics, battery, automotive, and general industry markets. For more information on the Advanjet Micro Dispensing jet valves, please visit www.graco.com/Advanjet.